How to change Snapchat display name. Changing a display name is simple and can be done anytime. So let's dive right in. Once you are in, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Here, tap on the settings icon at the top right. Now select name under my account. Tap on it. Now here, enter your first name and last name. Once you type in your first name and last name, tap on save. And just like that, your display name will be changed. And that's it, super easy, right? If you want to change your username, you can change it from right here. You can also watch my previous video on how to change your username. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.